Ication to expire. Start domestic qualification in parallel with current production. That's your bridge strategy. It keeps programs on schedule and contracts safe. Step 3. Material sovereignty. Vet your vendors for non-PRC sources of graphite, cathode precursors, separators, and electrolyte salts. With the new PRC export controls, those materials can disappear overnight. Build redundancy before it's mandated. Step 4. DPA leverage. Tap into Defense Production Act Title III programs. They exist to co-fund your scale-up. If you're qualifying with a U.S. manufacturer like American Lithium Energy, you're already aligned with the government's industrial base objectives. That opens the door to cost-share opportunities and accelerated acquisition pathways. Step 5. Contract language. Protect your future self. Write contracts that guarantee data rights for pack telemetry, full supplier disclosure, and mandatory notification if any sub-tier supplier changes. That's how you prevent hidden exposure to restricted entities later in the program lifecycle.